Hello friends, welcome to PaperCraft Palooza, your gateway to a world of limitless creativity through the enchanting art of paper crafting. Here we believe in the magic of transforming humble sheets of papers into stunning handcrafted works of art that can adorn your home and life. Dive into a treasure trove of tutorials where we unravel the secrets of origami, quilling, and a myriad of the paper crafting techniques. Whether you are a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner, our videos cater to all skill levels, offering step-by-step guidance and pro tips to ensure your projects turn out nothing short of spectacular. From intricate paper flowers that bloom with lifelike beauty to mesmerizing 3D structures that captivate the eye, we cover a wide spectrum of projects that span from the whimsical to the elegant. Explore our collection of home decor items, greeting cards, party favors, and so much more. We are all about breathing life into your imaginative ideas. But it's not just about the finished product, it's about the journey itself. Join us as we share personal stories, delightful anecdotes, and the